Canada, we don't get this kind of fabrics and all to make, and also if you want to make it or bring it from India, it's quite expensive. So I want to save my money and I will do my DIY technique to make a costume with that. I'm gonna put the sari on top of this, so I want you guys to learn it. Anytime if you want to make a ghagra or a lehenga kind of costume, if you don't have it and you have a sari, you can easily make it with a sari. Now I'm gonna pleat the entire sari and tuck it around my waist like this way. It will give you an exact ghagra or lehenga look, just like the way we wear our costume in Kathak. This is the easiest way you can turn your sari into a Kathak costume. How beautiful it is looking! Exactly like the way I want. Let me fix my chunri and do my hair and I'll be back. So my hair is done and then my costume is also done. I'll just add the jewelries now.